Number 2. Upgrade Broom and Dustpan. Broom and Dustpan Set. Heavy-duty dustpan with 55 inches long handle upright. Dustpan Broom Set. Broom for indoor-outdoor garage, kitchen, room, office. Lobby use. Black. Product information brand. Generic color. Black handle material. Plastic bristle type flagged bristle. Special feature lightweight surface recommendation floor product. Dimensions. 12.2 WX55. H model. Name Broom. Material feature durable material stainless steel. Item weight 2.12 pounds. Manufacturer Nixing Asin B0 CKW's DV2V. Item model number R01. Customer reviews 2.6 out of 5 stars. 5 ratings 2.6 out of 5 stars. Best sellers rank #67. 549 in health and household. See top 100 in health and household. #79 in household dustpans. Date first available October 12, 2023. See top 100 in health and household. #79 in household dustpans. Date first available October 12, 2023.